Nĩ kĩgomano kĩrĩa kĩrehete hamwe aikari ikĩro ciothe kuma andũ ethĩ o nginyagia akũrũ makĩheana mawoni megiĩ mendekithia ma watho wa kĩgĩna wa mwaka wa 2025, no nĩ mareganĩte na rĩendekithia rĩrĩa rĩ watho-inĩ wa kĩgĩna rĩa gwĩtĩkĩria rũhonge rwa ũngania wa magoti rũgayanage thiri cia andũ kĩũmbe, makiuga ũcio nĩ ũgwati hoka nĩ kũiga thiri makĩria cia kĩwonjoria na KRA ndĩagĩrĩirwo gũkorwo na riboti icio itetĩkĩrĩtio nĩ andũ kĩũmbe.
The members of the public are supporting taxation. They are supporting taxation, but their question that has always been asked by the members of the public is on the accountability. The accountability and oversight of the resources that is given to government is what the members of the public are trying to question. And the government, the system, the law has put systems in place to oversight.
Kũringana na kamĩtĩ ya gũtereba mĩhang'o ĩgiĩ watho wa kĩgĩna, matongoretio nĩ mũmbunge wa Turukana ya Kĩanda John Oriko, maugĩte he bata mũingĩ ũkuũkĩrwo nĩ marĩa memendekithia-inĩ ma watho ũyũ kuma mawega marĩa ũroka namo o nginyagia marĩa mangĩenda magarũrĩrwo.
Jinsi walivyokuwa wametangaza, walikuwa wamesema itaanza saa 4 na bado asubuhi venye tulifika hapa kulikuwa na shida, manake kuna pande ya liteknisha ambao ni pande ya hoteli. Watu walikuwa nafikiria kikao kitafanyika huko, lakini bado asubuhi kulikuwa na confusion, manake hata wenyeji hawakuwa wanajua kama kuna kikao kama hiki. Watu waliweza kurudishwa nyumbani. Aya, tukija pande hii ya university ndani pia kwati walinda lango pia walikuwa hawana habari kuhusu huu mkutano. Kwa hivyo
kuambia watu that KRA wants to access our data in banks, I believe that doesn't sit well with many of us. And I don't want to say that I'm opposing that because a lot can happen.
No na maya magĩthiaga na mbere nĩ morĩtie arĩa maratabania mĩhang'o ĩno matigĩrĩre andũ nĩ mamenyithio tene rĩrĩa mĩhang'o ĩyo ĩrathiĩ na mbere, amu ta gũkũ kwĩ mainũkĩte mataheanĩte mawoni mao thutha wa kĩgomano gĩkĩ gũcererwo kuma thaa 4 nginyagia thaa 7.
Tafadhali kwenda nyumbani, alafu kikao tu wafanye venye wanataka, manake kama ni saa 4, saa 4 saa 7 wananchi watakaa hapa bure. Watu hawezi kaa hapa bure. Kama ni National Assembly imemaanisha saa 4, saa 4 ikuwe saa 4. Tunaonanga saa zile wako na vikao huko mbungeni. Ikianza saa 3:30 wanga wamejaa pale. Ikianza saa 8:30 tuanga tumewaona pale. Lakini hizi vikao vya kuchukua maoni ya wananchi, they don't take them serious. And
the parliament are representatives of the people. They do oversight of resources given to various ministries, departments and agencies, including county governments.
Grifo Trainoro TV, jitagwo Jenga wa Wabui.